Hello students, common data question from computer organization. Okay, and the question is from computer organization. Okay, the question asked is, the execution of a process in a system demands 90% hit ratio with where the TLB access time and the memory access time are respectively 10 nanoseconds and 90 nanoseconds. Okay, so the hit ratio they have given as 0.9, right? Because it is a 90%. So what will be the miss rate? Miss rate will be 0.1. Okay, and the TLB access time they have given as 10 nanosecond and memory access time is 90 nanoseconds. Okay, and the first part they have asked is required effective memory access time. Okay, so then the first part they have asked as effective memory access time, so it will be 0.9 into 10 plus 90. Okay, and plus 0.1 into 10 plus 2 into 90. Okay, because memory access time is 90 seconds. Okay, so it will be 0.9 into 100 plus 0.1 into 10 plus 180, 90 plus 19, so it will be 109 nanoseconds. Okay, fine. So this is the answer. So answer is A. In the second part they have asked us what will be the reduction in the slowdown of the memory access time. Okay, so the total memory access time is how much? Total memory access time is how much? 2 into 90, right? So it is 180 nanoseconds. Okay, and with the TLB, you in the first part you have find out with the TLB the effective memory, if you consider TLB also. Okay, that is translation leukocyte buffer. If we consider, then this is 109 nanoseconds, right? So therefore the percentage will be how much? Percentage will be, that is the 100% minus, this is 19 into 180 by 100. Okay, so that will be 100 minus 60, so that will be 40% reduction will be there. Okay, thank you.